This is continuation from Collection and Dispensary, Part 3. Clicking SOAK will print the statement of charges that may be required for panel patients. Clicking DEP will print the deposit statement, if the patient has done any deposit/prepayments. Ticking tax INV before clicking receipt will print the receipt with detailed list, in tax invoice format. Ticking simple before clicking receipt will print the receipt in simplified format without any breakdown of the charges. For panel with monthly or yearly limit specified, the balance available for the patient will be shown here. This balance will be automatically deducted whenever the patient's visits are tagged to this panel. However, if this clinic is not the only clinic the patient visits, you may need to update this balance manually to reflect the true balance. If any dues were collected in this visit, clicking Collected Dues will list the collected dues. This is the list of dues collected in this visit. If the patient has any dues/balance from previous visits, they will be listed here. These dues/balance are also displayed in the registration page whenever the patient is selected. It is important to collect these dues/balances as soon as possible. If the patient is paying these dues/balance, click Collect to record it. Enter the amount paid and the payment mode. If paid by cash, nothing needs to be ticked. If paid by credit card or bank, tick accordingly. Click Enter to save this payment. All dues collected, including those recorded in the registration page, will be listed when Collected Dues is clicked. For the visit that has due/balance, if the due has been collected it will show in this box. In this example, the balance of RM30 has been collected. Click this box to see the details. The due details will be shown in this box at the bottom. To show how dues/balances are captured, note in this example there is RM109 balance for the VN73. When the collection details are updated by clicking Update, this RM109 will be considered as due/balance. The RM109 for VN73 will now appear as due/balance. To ensure staffs are reminded of these dues, this reminder will always appear every time the patient is selected in both the registration page and the collection page. To ensure transparency, the last update date, time and user will be displayed here. If there are sufficient SMS credits and valid phone number available, SMS message can be sent to the patient. Clicking this SMS tab will open the SMS box. To send an SMS, enter the message and click Send. Click the SMS tab to close the SMS box. At the end of the staff's shift, the sales report should be printed, credit card terminal settlements should be done and procedure incentives paid to the doctor. Click this icon at the bottom to do these. The current date is automatically filled up, and the to date is not required if only one day is needed. Click Collection by Shift to show the sales report. This is the sales report for the selected day. If there are any cash taken out, cash vouchers must be used. The cash voucher details will be listed here. The physical cash in hand must tally with this amount. To check credit card transactions and to mark settlement as done, click Card Settlements. This is the list of credit card transactions. To mark as settlement done, click the corresponding pen button. The settlement status is now marked Done. To undo, click Done again. To list all procedure incentives to be paid to the doctor, click Procedures Incentives. This is the list of procedures performed by the doctor and the qualifying incentives. In this example, no cash is to be paid to the doctor as the RM20 has been marked as EOM. EOM equals end of month, payable together with salary. That's it, you're done.